Alright, this video is going to be a little bit different. I'm doing my first devlog. Yeah, that's right. First time. So the game idea here is I'm going to create a roguelike, but not just any roguelike, but a kind of Risk of Rain 2 style roguelike. So basically, Risk of Rain 2, but in Roblox with a Roblox style. Like, all of the items are going to be based on old Roblox gear. The characters are going to be based on accounts of older Roblox characters, and they're going to have their own skills and abilities and whatnot. And then all the monsters are going to be based on Roblox crap like the Roblox memes of the Despacito spider. He'll be an enemy. I'll put him in the game. Anyways, for the last couple days, I was working on the main menu and the logo for the game. I just kind of got this idea a few days ago, and I was like, you know what? No one else has ported Risk of Rain 2 into Roblox. I could only find one, and it wasn't completed. So you know what? This would be kind of fun to make. So let's go ahead and just take a quick preview. I'll show you what I've gotten done so far over the last couple of days. It's just the main menu, nothing special for now. The actual game mechanics and all that kind of stuff will come later, but right now I'm just working on the main menu. And we got our nice wind, we got a little bit of rain, we have our incredibly original and unique name for the game, Risk of Roblox. We got a little bit of tree shaking in the background, and of course the camera follows the mouse around a little bit just for, you know, some extra immersion. And I'm also shaking the camera just a little bit using a shake module made by Slightnick. And then I'm also using Boat Bomber's wind shake module to shake the trees in the background if you're interested on how that's done. And then the rain's very simple, it's just a particle emitter. And of course you got like the main UI stuff similar to Risk of Rain 2. So you got like a single player mode, multiplayer, logbook section, and then a place for settings. I haven't really figured out what settings I want to do. I'll put it in later. Right now these buttons don't do anything. They'll play a click sound, but for the most part, the only kind of section I got filled out would be the logbook, so we'll flip over there. And of course, just like in Risk of Rain 2, you got your different sections in the logbook for like item and equipment, monsters, environment, badges, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to be filling this out later as I figure out what kind of stuff I want to put in the game, the kind of monsters and that kind of stuff. And then they also have their own little subcategories I got to fill out as well. But this is just for the section of the logbook. We can go back to the main menu, and we're back into this little unique landscape. I'm probably going to put more stuff in this landscape, probably more references to like older Roblox kind of things. If you notice in the background, you got the old Roblox HQ. I'm probably going to put some other stuff in here. So yeah, I'm interested to hear what you guys would think with this kind of game. I think it would do well. I think it would be a fun project to make. As I said, I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to put in it yet, but you know, I'll keep working as I go. If you're interested to see how the game is set up for the main menu section, it's very simple, actually. It's just, you got one server script and one local script, and their entire purpose is just to go through and require and set up all these different module scripts. So right now the server doesn't have anything. It's all been scripted so far on the client. Of course, I'm going to have to script server stuff when, you know, I make like matchmaking and server creation and stuff like that. But for now, it's all client-sided stuff. And there's things for handling like the camera, the music, the weather, which would be like the rain and the atmosphere. And then another handler for the GUI. So each of these different scripts, they have an initialize function, and then some of them will have a start function. So let me try to think, yeah. Like with the music, let me get rid of this initialize function because I don't need it. It has a start function. So the purpose with the initialize function and the start function, the initialize function just connects functions to events. It does that for both the client and then the server. And then it'll go in and start all the modules, which will execute all the like main stuff. Like for example, with the music handler, I got to have a while loop running to constantly randomly pick music and play it. So that's going to be in the start section. Whereas if I need to connect any functions to events or I need to do any setup, that's what the initialize function is going to be for. So yeah, just a short devlog. I'm going to have a lot of fun with this project, so I'll just see where it goes. And I'll keep all you guys updated with the progress for this game. Other than that, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.